The best time to plant tomatoes in Texas. Texas has a long growing season that allows for the planting of tomatoes twice a year. In the spring, set out plants in mid-April when all danger of frost has passed. When planting for a fall harvest, transplant tomato plants in July, or 120 days before the first frost in your area. Preparation. Pick a planting site that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun. Amend the soil with 2 inches of composted manure. Work into the soil a slow-release fertilizer that contains 1959 of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. To avoid disease when planting a second fall crop, plant new plants in a different spot than the spring planting. Planting. Set plants in the ground 1 to 2 inches deeper than the top of the root ball. Bury stems up to the first leaves. Place 4 to 6 inches of organic mulch around the base of the plant. Harvesting. Pick tomatoes before the first frost. Place tomatoes that are still green in a cardboard box that is lined with newspaper. Cover and store them in a cool place. Check tomatoes daily for ripeness,